Okay, so the first thing you need to do when making a snowflake is you've got to turn your paper into a square. The best way to do that is to take this top left corner and fold it down so that this line is parallel with the outside right edge, okay? You want that line to be parallel at the bottom too. And then you're going to make a nice fold across. Okay, so it should look like that. And then we are going to take and cut this extra piece off. And by doing that, we will have a perfect or somewhat perfect square. Okay, so take that extra piece off, discard that. Now we've got a rectangle, but if I open it up, we will have a nice square. Okay, so we're going to keep that folded. We're going to fold it one more time. We're going to take those two wide angles and bring them towards each other and fold it. And then we're going to take those corners again, the wide part of the triangle, and fold those in towards each other. So we end up folding it 3 times total. Okay? And now you've got some folded edges, some non-folded edges, which this will be your outside edge of the snowflake, and then some more folded, the mostly folded side. So this will be the inside of your snowflake. This will also be an inside edge of your snowflake, and this will be the outside edge of your snowflake. So if you want the outside edge of your snowflake to have a different shape than a square, then you are going to need to turn this into a different shape. So you could easily just cut a curve out, and that will quickly change the shape of your snowflake. Okay. Also, we're going to cut some shapes out. I like to cut off the shape of the tip because that gives us a shape on the inside. We're going to cut some. We'll just do some simple triangles. Okay. We'll vary the sizes. Okay. So those are the shapes we're going to cut out. You can make them any shapes that you want. I just want you to see what I'm going to be cutting out. So I cut off that edge. You need to have some nice sharp scissors to do this because you're cutting through that folded paper. Just cut up, oopsies, goes flying. We're just cutting up those shapes, cutting them off. I'm going to cut off that tip. I'm going to cut a triangle on this side right here. And this is just a simple snowflake. There's so many things that you could do. Let's open this up and see what this looks like. And that is beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay. That is just a simple version of a snowflake. You can do it any way. You can do any shapes, cut out any shapes, change the shape of that outside edge like I said. You could even do some fringe, which looks kind of cool, which is just lots of little cuts. Okay,